Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about training hikes. Now, if you've been following my advice from before and are out doing training hikes or training walks, what I want to talk about today is making those longer. Get more out of your time when you're going out hiking and stuff. If you're doing like a 15-minute walk, make it a 20-minute walk or a 30-minute walk. If you're hiking for an hour, make it an hour and a half or 2 hours. Also, on your training hikes, try carrying a little bit of weight with you. Get a fanny pack and put a couple bottles of water in there, or load it up with a bunch of rocks, little rocks and stuff, so add some weight to you. So you get more out of your training hikes and training walks by having weight on your body to make you work a little harder. So think about doing longer training hikes and walks so you build up your endurance, and actually it just helps you lose weight and feel better about yourself too. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn at least one new skill every month and grow more food that's chemically free.